Hi, I'm Sarah and I am in charge of camps at Gearing Up. This summer we have 2 new camp locations. We're expanding to North Vancouver and North Delta. There's not a lot of difference between the curriculum at our Vancouver camps location and our off-site locations in North Delta and North Vancouver. The main difference is that we have to work with the different environments we're in, so they're obviously at an off-site location, and with that comes a little bit of variability. So the goal of doing our off-site locations is to really bring our programming and bring what we do to as many youth as we can. Our programming is really unique in that we're doing hands-on activities and we're getting kids really excited about a future in science, technology, engineering, and math. And I think that bringing our programming to these different locations allows us to reach as many students as possible. Not every parent can drive their kid an hour, 45 minutes to come to camp each day. And so when we're opening up these locations, we make it more accessible not only for the youth but also for their parents as well, which is really great.